Hello everyone, this is Malo Rathod, and as we see we are already standing in NASA Kennedy Space Center, and we have been exploring it from a long day. Like we have been in the training program yesterday, and it was a very cool experience to be part of training experience. Like we experienced launch control, we experienced microgravity, and there are many things to do about it. And today we are exploring Kennedy Space Center, and we have been very grateful to Edu Mithra for providing a very smooth experience under our grateful Sunny sir and everyone in the crew. Like we have been exploring today many simulators, many museums and many shows that have been very realistic, and we feel like we are inside the spacecraft. Many things, many simulators have been very grateful, and I really like them. It was very adventurous experience for me, and this is the first time I'm experiencing like this out of India, and that too without anyone from my family. And this has been very kindly and very perfectly designed by Edu Mithra, because we don't know each other and all. Still we have managed it, and due to Sunny sir and Edu Mithra, we have been like combined with each other, and it was a very great experience. And NASA itself is my dream, and like being a very keen about aerospace engineering, I really liked the experience, and I'm very grateful to Edu Mithra team. Thank you so much.